Hey, what up YouTube? This is episode 2 of burps and crap like that. Top 5 burps actually. He's gonna be 4 of them, the first 4, and I'm gonna do the last one. Epic crap. Oh well. Let's go. So first one, let's go. That doesn't count. Right, so number 1. That should be the last one, but well. Right, number 2. That was a good one. Number 3. Now the last one from here, number 4. It's gonna be boss one. Pretty epic, God. Calm down. Anyway.
Last one, ready? From you.
From me, last one, epic burp, and then end the video. See you. Are you ready?